Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Friday, October 20th, and I have a few really interesting and new things to share with you. The first one is quilting with panels and patchwork. So this is one of those great books that tells you what to do when you find a panel you love and you're not sure how to finish it. So I opened up the book and flipped through and found a couple of pages just to sort of highlight what this book can do for you. Look how beautiful that is, picking colors off of the panel and then creating a really beautiful surround. So if you're one of those people that loves purchasing panels, but you're not sure where you're going to go after that, this book has lots of ideas, including even cutting them up into smaller pieces. Look at that. Aww. That's fun. Frank, it's called. So lots of really nice ideas in here. And look at that offsetting. So it's maybe not in the middle. Lots of cool ideas. So if you're looking for a new book to give you some inspiration with your next panel purchases, I recommend this one. Next up, we have these beautiful ornaments that our inventory manager, Lori, found for us. These are wood, and it's two pieces of wood with fabric and batting sandwiched in between. And man, they are gorgeous. So these are Amish quilt pattern Christmas ornaments. They would be great for your secret pal, your sewing secret pal, or someone in your bee. And these are the three patterns and colors that we have available in the shop and online now. So I'll be sure to link to that in today's video. And then we have, this is a panel and kit that we've had for a while, but I just wanted to show it to you to renew. It's really, really an adorable panel. And the kit comes with everything you need for the pattern, 6 yards of fabric for the quilt top and binding with a really generous finish size of 46 by 56. And this is not the panel, this is a digital representation of the quilt that you will make, but the quilt does include all the fabrics right here in it. And so there's this nice border print and then all the other fabrics that you need to make it in the kit. So that's what we have for you today. As a reminder, this Sunday is our region's Super Sunday for all Carolina Shop Hop. So instead of our normal hours of 1 to 5 on Sundays, we will be open this coming Sunday from noon to 5. So you have an extra hour to enjoy all the wonderful goodies we have here at Cary Quilting. I hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you back here from the shop on Monday. Bye.